Hi, I'm going to get ready to use my chai machine. First, I'm going to take my clip out of my hair here. All right, I like to use it in my head a lot. So my hands are like this. I put this on and hopefully you can see the red light is activated. Over it goes. Over it goes. Over it goes. Sometimes I like to just hold it like this, just making sure that the light is activated. All right, now I'm going to show you how I do my face. Now my hand is covering, let's see if I can do this right, these. You place your palms over it because you want your red light on. So here we go. Upward circles. Upward circles. You can see my red light is still on. I come up and then I do a figure 8. You can see the red light is on. Let's do that neckline. Neck's a little harder, but just make sure your hands once again are on the top. This is the part that's working in the product. There's my wonderful machine. Bye.